What's going on, everybody? DJ A-Roc here, A-Roc Entertainment. So I know you all been wondering, how do you connect your Ape Lab lights with both Lighting USA lights? So we got both lighting lights and Ape Lab. So these are the Ape Lab Maxi version. What's going on, everybody? DJ A-Roc here, A-Roc Entertainment. Real quick video about how to use your Ape Lab lights with both Lighting USA lights using the Ape Labs WAP unit. So these are the both Lighting USA IR-4s. This is the Ape Labs Maxi version 1. So I'm telling you, big difference between these two. This one has a white. This one does not. So it has a true white and an amber color. This one does not have a true amber and a white with it. You can mix the colors and come out with it. So when you're using the app, sometimes the colors will not match up between the two lights because this one just has a few more features when it comes to color. So what all do you need? You need both Lighting USA IR-4, Ape Lab Maxi or a Mini, the Ape Lab Connect app, and the WAP unit. So this is from Ape Labs. The WAP unit works with all their Ape Lab units, and you use this with the app to connect up multiple Ape Labs to use the app from your tablet or your phone versus using this little remote control. So, and the last thing you need is a wireless DMX. So wireless donor will be what you want. You can find these on eBay, Amazon, or just find a wireless transmitter. I know both lighting offers a wireless transmitter that you can use with their system. But yeah, so we're using the donor with the WAP unit with our app itself. And so it seems like a lot, but it's a lot. So let me stop talking. Let me show you real quick how to do this. Let's switch the camera around. So let's go over all the things you would need to connect your both lighting lights with your Ape Lab unit. So first thing you're gonna need is Ape Lab lights. These are the Maxi version 1s. These are the both Lighting USA IR-4s. You're gonna need the Ape Lab WAP. This is their hardware you need. This is for their wireless DMX. So this unit here connects to their actual app. So you can put all your Ape Lab lighting on this one unit and you can control them via the app versus their single remote control that you get with all your Ape Lab lights. So you need this and the app. The app is free. There's no fee on the app, no subscriptions. The app is 100% free. So go through the steps. So to get started, you need IR-4s, or you can probably use these with the tubes too. The Maxis, these are version 1s. The WAP hardware, this is a donor wireless DMX. Both Lighting USA offer wireless DMX on their websites. I'll try to get the part number for you, put it in the description. But this right here is the donor wireless DMX in the free app. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get your WAP connected to the actual Ape Labs app. You go into more, you'll hit Ape DMX. Make sure it is enabled. You see, make sure that is on. You see that is on. Go to channel 6. So you can go down to channel 6. Now right here is where everything comes into play. If you want to put them on group 1, 2, 3, or 4, if you are an Ape Lab user, you already know what these groups mean. So I won't get into details, but DMX 85 for channel 1, 106 for 2, 127 for 3, 148 for channel 4. We're going to go into group 1. We're going to keep them all in group 1. These lights are already on group 1. So I can see what lights are on group 1. So I'm in group 1 right now. This light is already synced up. So if I turn it off, I go to, let's get rid of blackout. Now we see I hit red, all the lights are in red. But how did I get there? All right, you ready? Let's do it. So I'm gonna try to do this while holding this. On the Both Lighting USA IR-4s, go to the menu section. So you see I'm just going through the menu section. Go to where it says DMX, right? You want to make this is at 85. Also, you want to make sure if you're having problems connecting, you see this flashing wireless receiver here. This is red. That means I'm on the red channel, and on my donor, I'm on the red channel. So if you want to go through, you can change these channels up. If you're having issues with connecting through, you can change that channel up. Also on the Both Lighting lights, once you get your DMX set up, you need to go into the channel and make sure this is on channel 6 that match what we use on the Ape Lab light. So you see channel 6, and if we go back into the Ape DMX, you see we went to channel 6. This makes a difference when controlling the lights. So you gotta make sure you got the right number of channels coming from the actual transmitter to the receiver, which is the light. And it's just that easy. You're ready to go. So we are on channel 6 far as the lights, and then we are on DMX 85 for the Ape Labs to work with the Both Lighting. So pretty straightforward. Hope this helped you out. Everything works. I'm gonna turn the blackout and I can go through. You can see, change the colors. All from the app. It said some of the colors don't match up. This says white on the, this is like a cool white, but you see the Ape Labs is putting out just a straight out white versus that amber. So, but if you go in, the amber actually matches up. So yeah. So Both Lighting USA with Ape Lab Maxi version 1 using a W app unit from Ape Labs, a donor wireless transmitter, and the free Ape Lab light. So there you have it right there. We got our Both Lighting USA lights working with our Ape Lab Maxi version 1s. Like I said, you can go through, you can black them out, and I'm using it all from the app. It's all coming from the app right now, so I can go back through, turn the blackout out, change the colors, cool white, amber, green, red, and it's talking to all the lights, so you can kind of see both lights are working together. So Ape Labs, Both Lighting USA, check them out. Great price on this. I done had these for 6 or 7 years now, still going strong. But yeah, a great alternative are these right here. Truly, these are the best bang for your buck right now if you want some uplights that small, because they are about the same size. So the Both Lighting is just a little bit smaller, but they're putting out a good amount of light right now. So there you go. Ape Labs, Both Lighting USA, IR-4s, Ape Labs, Maxi version 1. So DJ A-Roc, A-Roc Entertainment. Hope that helped you out if you're trying to connect your Ape Labs with your Both Lighting USA lights. Peace.